Pretty nice viewpoint on this property here. See the windmills off in the distance. This little camera probably isn't going to pick up the white water that I can see. For some reason the haze gets amplified on this thing. A lot of bohea trees in this area. But really nice view. There's my little car down there. Looks like somebody has a bunch of different varieties of heavy equipment. Looks like most of it's in fairly decent shape. I'm standing right close to the middle of the property, maybe not as far back as it goes. I guess it's about 600 feet deep, like most of the properties in the subdivision here. A lot of volcanic rubble here with some nice ohia trees. A person could groom this property with a little Caterpillar bulldozer of some sort. I've heard that this particular variety of lava isn't too bad to bulldoze. You get some of those big boulders there, you might have to roll them out of the way. Might take something like a D8 or a D9 to do this easily. A little bulldozer might have some difficulties out here, although I've seen guys that operate D6s or the equivalent of that don't seem to have a whole lot of trouble. It just takes them a little longer, and they have to know what they're doing. Nice vantage point from this property here.